2 is 4, stomp your feet on the floor. 2 times 3 is 6, let's do some jumping tricks. 2 times 4 is 8, adding is really great. 2 times 5 is 10, sing it loud again. Two times 6 is 12, count the stars yourself. 2 times 7 is 14, best math you've ever seen. 2 times 8 is 16, dance around the screen. 2 times 9 is 18, smile so bright and keen. 2 times 10 is 20, numbers are so plenty.